Okay? Promise? You gotta be nice. No slide paws. Pinky promise. Right here. You look at my eyes. No meow, okay? Good kitty. We're friends now,
Name is John C. Holly rolls. RKO! Oh my God! Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. You gotta be kidding me! How did he do it? Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. There's absolutely no way in hell Shane can do this. Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker. What's wrong with the pedigree?
Come here.
Good morning, everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, no,
Like that. Oh.
Nya 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 nya. Nya 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 nya.
Come here.
Good morning, everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, no,
Like that. Oh.
Sedentary inactivity is terrible.
I mean, Dimitri could have died, but that's the price of doing business, right?
Cup of frozen peas.
Don't you dare do that.
We need frozen.
Don't you dare do that. Hey! Hi!
Ayo.